Hello everyone, this is Pragya Temre presenting to you aminoglycosides, its classification and mode of action. Aminoglycosides explore the various antibiotic combating infection drugs. We will study its mechanism and classification in detail. Aminoglycosides are a class of antibiotics that are primarily used to treat serious infections caused by gram-negative bacteria. They are characterized by their unique chemical structure and mode of action. Aminoglycosides are often used in combination with other antibiotics to enhance their efficacy. Classification of antibiotics is primarily classified into systemic and topical antibiotics. Systemic contains streptomycin, gentamicin, kanamycin, neomycin, framcymycin, tabromycin, amikacin, and topical aminoglycoside contains neomycin and fremicetin. Mode of action: protein synthesis inhibition of aminoglycosides. Aminoglycosides exert their antibacterial effect by inhibiting protein synthesis in bacteria. They bind to the bacterial ribosomes, causing misleading to the genetic code and ultimately leading to the production of non-functional proteins. This disruption of protein synthesis impairs bacterial growth and survival. Mechanism of resistance. Bacteria can develop resistance to aminoglycosides through various mechanisms. These include enzymatic modification of the antibiotic, decreased uptake of the drug, and active efflux of the antibiotic from the bacterial cell. Understanding these resistance mechanisms is crucial for developing strategies to combat antibiotic resistance. Clinical applications. Aminoglycosides are commonly used in the treatment of serious infections caused by gram-negative bacteria, such as pneumonia, sepsis, and urinary tract infections. They are also used in combination therapy for certain multi-drug resistance infections. However, use of them is associated with potential side effect and requires careful monitoring. Now we will see some multiple choice questions on aminoglycosides. First, which of the following is a common aminoglycoside antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis? Option A amikacin, option B gentamicin, option C streptomycin, option D cephalexin. Correct answer is streptomycin. Streptomycin is commonly used aminoglycoside antibiotic in treatment of tuberculosis. Now here we come to the second MCQ. Which is the most common indication for the use of aminoglycosides? A. Viral infections, B. Urinary tract infections, C. Osteoarthritis, D. Bacterial infections, especially when resistant to other antibiotics. Correct answer is bacterial infection, especially when resistant to other antibiotics. Because aminoglycosides are commonly used to treat bacterial infections, especially when the bacteria are resistant to other antibiotics. Third, aminoglycosides are generally not effective against which type of bacteria? A. Gram negative, B. Gram positive, C. Anaerobic, D. Fungal. Correct answer is anaerobic. Aminoglycosides are generally less effective against anaerobic bacteria compared to aerobic gram-negative bacteria. Fourth, which of the following is a key concern when using aminoglycosides, especially in long-term therapy? Gastrointestinal bleeding, hypotension, neurotoxicity, or allergic reactions? Correct answer is neurotoxicity, because neurotoxicity is a significant concern with aminoglycoside use, especially in long term therapy, and monitoring renal function is important. Fifth, which enzyme is responsible for the modification of aminoglycosides, leading to bacterial resistance? A. DNA polymerase, B. RNA polymerase, C. Aminoglycoside acetyltransferase, D. Proteases. Correct answer is aminoglycoside acetyltransferases because aminoglycoside acetyltransferase is an enzyme responsible for modifying aminoglycosides which can lead to bacterial resistance. Here we come to the end of the slide. Thank you.